Hey everyone, it's Rock. Today we're taking a delicious trip to a tropical paradise, right from our kitchens. We're diving into the world of pineapple and coconut desserts, from quick no-bake treats to show-stopping cakes. Grab your aprons, let's get baking and discover just how amazing this flavor combo can be. First up, let's talk about pineapple coconut bars, my absolute go-to treat for any party, potluck, or family gathering. These bars are a little slice of the tropics right in your own kitchen, and they never fail to impress. Whether you're hosting a big celebration or just want to brighten up a regular weeknight, these bars are guaranteed to bring a smile to everyone's face. Picture this, a buttery, melt-in-your-mouth shortbread crust that's the perfect foundation for a chewy, gooey pineapple coconut filling. The contrast of textures is what makes these bars so irresistible. The crumbly base gives way to a luscious, tropical topping that's bursting with flavor in every bite. Not only are these bars incredibly easy to make, but they also look absolutely gorgeous on any dessert table. Their golden tops and flecks of coconut make them stand out, and I can promise you, they always get rave reviews from guests. People are drawn to their sunny, inviting appearance, and once they taste them, they're hooked. Let's start with the crust. All you need to do is pulse together some flour, sugar, and cold butter in a food processor until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a pastry cutter or even your fingertips to work the butter in. Once it's crumbly, press it firmly into the bottom of a lined baking pan, making sure it's evenly distributed. This step is key for that perfect sturdy base. Now, for the star of the show, the filling. In a large bowl, combine sweetened condensed milk, plenty of shredded coconut, and well-drained crushed pineapple. The sweetened condensed milk binds everything together and adds a creamy richness, while the coconut and pineapple bring that signature tropical flavor. Make sure to drain the pineapple really well so your bars don't end up soggy. Pour the pineapple coconut mixture evenly over your prepared crust, spreading it out to the edges. Then, pop the pan into a preheated oven and bake until the top is golden and the filling is set. Your kitchen will smell absolutely amazing, like a tropical vacation. Once they're done baking, let the bars cool completely in the pan. I know it's tempting to dig in right away, but trust me, waiting for them to cool makes all the difference. The filling firms up, the flavors meld together, and you'll get those clean, beautiful slices. If you're making these for a crowd, don't hesitate to double the recipe. These bars disappear fast. And if you or your guests are gluten-free, just swap in your favorite gluten-free flour blend for the crust. The results are just as delicious, so everyone can enjoy a taste of the tropics. When it comes to storing these bars, you have options. They keep well at room temperature in an airtight container for a couple of days, but I personally love them chilled. Pop them in the fridge, and the flavors become even more vibrant, with a refreshing, cool bite that's perfect for warm weather. When you're ready to serve, cut the bars into neat squares. If you want to take them to the next level, dust the tops with a little powdered sugar or sprinkle on some toasted coconut for extra crunch and a beautiful finish. It's a simple touch that makes them look bakery-worthy. One of my favorite things about these bars is how well they work as a make-ahead dessert. You can prepare them a day or two in advance, and they'll still taste just as fresh and delicious. This makes them perfect for busy hosts or anyone who likes to plan ahead. Every bite is a perfect balance of chewy, sweet filling and that buttery, crumbly base. The coconut adds a lovely texture, while the pineapple brings a bright, tangy note that keeps things from being too sweet. It's a combination that's truly divine and a little bit addictive. Serve these at your next get-together, and I guarantee you'll be the star of the party. People will be asking for the recipe, and you might just find yourself making them again and again. They're that good. So, if you're ready to bring a taste of the tropics to your table, give these pineapple coconut bars a try. And stay tuned, our next easy tropical treat is coming right up. Now, let's talk about the easiest dessert you'll ever make, my 3-ingredient pineapple coconut fluff. This recipe is a lifesaver when you need something sweet in a hurry, or when you want to impress guests without spending hours in the kitchen. It's so simple, you'll wonder why you haven't tried it before. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, this dessert is practically foolproof and always a crowd pleaser. All you need are 3 basic ingredients: a can of crushed pineapple, make sure it's undrained for extra juiciness, a tub of whipped topping, and a box of instant coconut cream pudding mix. That's it. No baking, no fancy equipment, and no complicated steps. These ingredients are easy to find at any grocery store, and you might even have them in your pantry already. To make the fluff, start by mixing the dry pudding mix with the entire can of crushed pineapple, juice, and all. The pineapple's natural sweetness and tang blend perfectly with the creamy coconut flavor. Once those are combined, gently fold in the whipped topping. Take your time with this step. Folding keeps the mixture light and airy, giving you that signature fluffy texture everyone loves. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you'll have a dessert that's light, fluffy, and bursting with tropical flavor. The combination of pineapple and coconut is like a mini vacation in every bite, sweet, creamy, and refreshing. If you have a little extra time, cover the bowl and let it chill in the refrigerator for about an hour. This step isn't required, but it really does make a difference. The flavors meld together, and the texture becomes even more luscious and satisfying. It's the perfect make-ahead treat for parties, potlucks, or just a relaxing night in. When you're ready to serve, spoon the fluff into individual glasses or bowls. For a festive touch, top each serving with a sprinkle of toasted coconut, a bright maraschino cherry, or even a fresh pineapple wedge. These little extras make the dessert look as good as it tastes, and they add a fun, tropical vibe to your table. Want to make it a little more grown-up? For an adults-only twist, add a splash of rum to the mixture before serving. It instantly transforms your pineapple coconut fluff into a pina colada-inspired treat that's perfect for summer parties or backyard barbecues. This recipe is incredibly flexible too. You can easily double or triple the ingredients to feed a crowd, or make a smaller batch for just a few people. It's super forgiving, so don't worry about exact measurements. Just mix, taste, and adjust as you like. Simple, quick, and absolutely delicious. This pineapple coconut fluff is a back pocket recipe you'll find yourself making again and again. It's perfect for any occasion, from family gatherings to last-minute cravings. Give it a try and watch it disappear in no time. Now let's make an elegant no-bake coconut and pineapple layered dessert. Layer ladyfingers, creamy coconut pudding, and juicy pineapple for a show-stopping trifle. Whisk instant coconut pudding with milk, then fold in whipped topping. Layer ladyfingers, half the pudding, and pineapple tidbits. Repeat. Top with toasted coconut for crunch and flavor. For extra pineapple punch, dip ladyfingers in pineapple juice before layering. Chill for at least 4 hours, overnight is even better. Serve in a trifle bowl to show off those beautiful layers. Light, refreshing, and perfect for making ahead. This dessert is always a crowd pleaser. Ready for a classic? Let's make toasted coconut pineapple dream. A layered dessert with a crunchy graham crust, creamy filling, and sweet pineapple topping. Mix graham crumbs, sugar, and melted butter for the crust. Bake briefly. Beat cream cheese and powdered sugar, then fold in whipped topping for a tangy, fluffy layer. Spread over the cooled crust. Top with well-drained crushed pineapple and a generous sprinkle of toasted coconut. Chill for a few hours to set. Try swapping in other fruits for variety. This recipe is super versatile. Creamy, crunchy, tangy, and sweet. This dessert is pure paradise in every bite. Cake lovers, get ready for a slice of pure paradise. Today we're making pineapple coconut cake with a luscious pineapple glaze. This cake is a celebration of tropical flavors, perfect for any occasion, whether you're hosting a summer party, a family gathering, or just want to treat yourself to something special. Each bite is incredibly moist and dense, bursting with the sweet tang of crushed pineapple and the chewy texture of coconut. The combination creates a cake that's both comforting and exotic, with a flavor profile that transports you straight to a sunny beach. To make this cake, start by gathering your ingredients: flour, sugar, baking soda, a pinch of salt, eggs, vanilla extract, a can of undrained crushed pineapple, and plenty of sweetened shredded coconut. The best part? You only need one bowl. Just add everything in and mix until combined. It's quick, easy, and there's minimal cleanup. There's no need for butter or oil in this recipe. The pineapple brings all the moisture you need, resulting in a cake that's rich and tender without being heavy. The batter will look thick and full of fruit, which is exactly what you want. Pour the batter into a greased 9x 13-inch baking pan, smoothing it out evenly. Pop it into a preheated oven and bake until the top is golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. The aroma of pineapple and coconut will fill your kitchen, making it hard to wait. While the cake is still warm from the oven, it's time to make the glaze. In a saucepan, combine butter, sugar, and pineapple juice, then simmer until everything is melted and slightly thickened. Pour this golden glaze slowly over the cake, letting it soak in and infuse every bite with extra flavor and moisture. The glaze seeps into the cake, making it unbelievably luscious and giving it a beautiful glossy finish. It's the secret to that irresistible melt-in-your-mouth texture. For an extra touch of flavor and crunch, sprinkle toasted coconut flakes over the top. This not only adds a lovely texture, but also enhances the tropical vibe, making the cake look as good as it tastes. Serve your pineapple coconut cake warm for a comforting dessert, or chill it in the fridge for a refreshing treat on a hot day. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream for an extra indulgent experience. Your guests will be asking for seconds. This cake stays moist and delicious for days, making it perfect for making ahead or enjoying leftovers. Simply cover and store at room temperature or in the fridge, and it will taste just as amazing as the day you baked it. If you're dreaming of a dessert that's easy to make, full of flavor, and guaranteed to impress, this pineapple coconut cake with pineapple glaze is your answer. Bring a taste of the tropics to your table. You won't want to miss it. Last up, pineapple coconut crumb bars. A crumbly, gooey twist on classic bars. Make a crumb mixture with flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, cold butter, and shredded coconut. Press 2/3 into a pan for the crust. Reserve the rest for topping. Cook crushed pineapple, sugar, cornstarch, and lemon juice until thick. Spread filling over crust. Top with remaining crumbs and bake until golden. Let cool completely before cutting for perfect bars. Use cold butter for the best crumb texture and sweetened coconut for extra flavor. These bars are pure comfort, sunshine in every bite. That's a wrap on our tropical dessert adventure. From quick fluff to elegant trifles and moist cakes, pineapple and coconut shine in every recipe. Don't be afraid to experiment. Add nuts, swap fruits, or make these treats your own. I'd love to see your creations. Tag me on social media. Thanks for joining me. Find full recipes in the description below. Happy baking, everyone. Until next time, bye.